Good morning. Good morning, children. Good morning, everyone. So, today, class 5, the English subject, we are learning. So, till now, 6 lessons we have learned. So, that is My Shadow, The Vinci, The Selfish Giant, The Rainforest Song, Animal Conquering. I am a jet plane. Yesterday, the poem that we have learned, that is I am a jet plane. So I am a jet plane. Yesterday we have learned, that is lesson number 6. So today we are going to the lesson number 7, the first road trip. The first road trip. The first road trip is the lesson name. So here the first road trip, it is our first road trip, means the first trip has been made on the road. About this, now we will go through what it is there. The first what he has invented for the road trip, what he invented to go to the first road trip, which vehicle, what is that we will go through now, and in which year, and what is his name. So how he invented, with what he had did the first trip. So now we will go through this lesson number 7, that is the first road trip. One morning in the August 1888, it was the August. Bertha Benz and her 2 sons, Eugen 15 and Richard 13 years. So woke up early. So they were here, the name Bertha Benz and 2 sons, Eugen 15 years old. Next, Richard 13 years old. These 2 was his sons. Okay, these 2 were his son. Eugen 15, Richard is 13. So Bertha Benz, once they wake up early, they were wake up in the early. They got dressed very quickly. So they were dressed very quickly. They were morningly, they woke up early and they got dressed very quickly. So as they were wakened, Carl Benz, they left a note that said, "We are going to visit grandma." So what they had told to, so they are not going to Carl Benz, they are visiting to their grandma. They want to go to their grandma's house to visit her. They crept out Mr. Benz's workshop. So they were crept onto the Benz, to the Benz workshop. They went to the workshop and opened the door and pushed out 3 wheels vehicle. Here it is a 3 wheels. Workshop lo ee oka vehicle unde. It is an 3 vehicled vehicle. It was fruit of Mr. Benz. It was the fruit. It is his lovely fruit of Mr. Benz. Long and hard work of the engine car. It is a very long work. Is ante ani oka krushi. It is a very work hard. So this is the first engine car. It is the first engine car. This is the engine car, that is 3-wheeled vehicle it is. Imagine it, a wooden construction more similar to the horse carrying than a car of steel we have now. So they have constructed a similar horse carriage. So horse carriage that on the car of steel we have no roof, no hood, no 2 wheels in the back, but only 1 wheel in the front, a kind of handle inside the steering wheel. Here he is telling about his vehicle. Front it is a 1 wheel and the back it is a 2 wheels, and it is a front seated 1 steering seat and 2 wheels. It is the engine. He is telling about this vehicle. Steering wheel, leather cover seat, here leather cover seat, and the most important point is a 2.5 horsepower. Here 2.5 horsepower single cylinder 4-stroke engine is there in this. 2.5 horsepower engine 4-stroke engine is there in this vehicle. The car that Mr. Benz or her sons rolled out of the workshop and gone through a great deal of development since the registration 2 years before, but the Mr. Benz felt it is needed even more work to improve. So here they has taken that the workshop from that they had taken to develop more registration, and before the Mr. he felt it is needed more work to it has to improvement in this vehicle. He believed that the most people would not trust such a new thing enough to be willing to buy it. So most of the people will not enough to buy because it is an only two-wheel backside. So it is a more he want to develop this vehicle. It seemed to be him that the prosperity and the success to the market were not good. It is a not success and not very good, this one. In contrast, its loving and energetic wife believed in his abilities. So here, behalf of it, he has made this vehicle. So his wife has believed that he will be successful in this, and she was the ability that she will lovingly wife will be believed. And it was more than certain that the fruit was ripe enough to be picked. It was enough to pick up enough to ripe the picked. Her plan was to make long distance. Her plan was to make a long distance journey in her husband to invitation. So she want to go a long distance for an invitation with her husband, which would be presured everyone on the benefits and reliability on a new horseless carriage. So here he is telling what everyone should be satisfied this benefit with the new horseless carriage. So here about this vehicle he was invented this vehicle Mr. Benz. Okay, so this was the about this vehicle is the it is the 18 August 1888. Okay, the two sons Eugen and Richard, they both wake up and they want to meet, so they went in this vehicle. So that was very engine 2.5 horsepower single cylinder 4-stroke engine was there in this vehicle. So then more he want to develop like this because it will not go more distant. So he want to develop more and more in this trip. So this is the a short lesson that about this vehicle he has given here. So he want to go very distance so much long. He want to be like a speed horseless car. Okay, horseless carriage you want to do this vehicle. So this is a short lesson has been completed. So చిన్నగా చెప్పాలంటే ఈ యొక్క వెహికల్ గురించి ఈ యొక్క లెసన్ లో చెప్పారు. The first road trip, this is the vehicle that he had taken the first road trip. That's a number 7. So it has become in 1888 okay century. So here we have completed the lesson. So now we will go to the summative and formative assessment. Where did this story take place? In the late of 1800s centuries. Okay. The first one is 1800s. First one is summative assessment and formative assessment. Page number 33 and 34. Bit number 1. So first one is A. In the late 1800s. The first answer is at the end of 19th century and the August all of the road. So next one here he is giving in what way was Mr. Benz invented different cars from the cars we drive today. Complete the table he is telling. Mr. Benz, we'll see what type of cars he was. So first one, Mr. Benz car. So first one it is Mr. Benz car and modern car. So here both the cars are given. Modern car okati, Benz car okati, which is bit number 2. Benz car, నెక్స్ట్ మోడర్న్ కార్. మోడర్న్ అంటే మీకు అందరికీ తెలుసు, బెంజ్ కార్ అంటే తన యొక్క చేసిన కార్, ఓకేనా. సో ఫస్ట్ వన్ వుడెన్ క్యారేజ్. ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఈజ్ వుడెన్. వుడెన్ అంటే చెక్క. వుడెన్ క్యారేజ్, ఓన్లీ 3 wheels, okay. Second one, body made steel. Body made of steel, modern car lo. Next, second one, only 3 wheels. Only 3 wheels they have. We have seen in the picture only 3 wheels. Here it is 4 wheels. In the modern car, how many wheels? 4 wheels. 4 tayalu. Tires will be there. Next, here how many horsepower? 2.5 horsepower. I explained in the lesson also for you. Single engine. So it is a modern car. It is 4-stroke. We will see in the advertisement 4-stroke engine. So this is the modern car గురించి. ఇది మిస్టర్ బెంజ్ చేసిన కార్ గురించి. మోడర్న్ కార్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది? 4 wheel, స్టైల్గా స్టీల్ రాడ్, 4 and 4-stroke ఇంజన్. నెక్స్ట్ ఈయన చేసిన కార్లో 3 wheels, 2.5 horsepower. మిస్టర్ బెంజ్ వుడ్ కార్, అది వుడెన్ చెక్కతో చేసింది. సో దీస్ ఆర్ ద మోడర్న్ కార్ అండ్ మిస్టర్ బెంజ్ కార్. సో వీ కంప్లీటెడ్ second one. How did Mr. Benz want to convince people about the advantages of using her husband's inventories? So she wants, how she was, we will tell now. Mr. Benz's plan was to make long distance. Wants to so he want to long distance. So he wants to make a long distance. So here camera went there. So here first bit number 2, that is Mr. Benz car. Wooden carriage. Next, only 3 wheels, 2.1 horsepower cylinder engine. Next it was 2.5 horsepower single cylinder engine, body made of steel, 4 wheels, 4-stroke engine it is. So these are the Mr. Benz car and modern car. How did Mr. Benz want to convince people about the advantages of using husband's invention? So this answer is third one. Mr. Benz's plan was to make a long distance journey in her husband's invention to be convince people about its advantages. She want to go to so much long distance and she want to convey the people and explain about this car. Next, fourth one is study the sentences. It was a fruit of Mr. Benz's long and hard work. The fruit was ripe enough to be picked. What is the meaning of fruit in two sentences? What is mean by fruit is telling result, outcome. The fruit which, first one is result, second one is outcome, the third one is the fruit which grows on a tree. The fruit which grows on the tree. Next, the fifth one, last, make a modern list of scene road these days. So different list is asking. So this one I will give for you homework, because everyone know nowadays whatever is going on in our daily life, any scooters, any cars, any vehicles మనం చూస్తూ ఉన్నాం ఇప్పుడు. Nowadays we are seeing. So this is page number 34. Bit number 5. Bit number 5. So do the homework in textbook. సో మీరేం చేయాలి అంటే నేను ఇప్పుడు మీకు నార్మల్గా చెప్తాను. నవేడేస్ మోడ్రన్ వెహికల్స్ ఏమేమి ఉన్నాయి మన యొక్క మోడర్న్ వెహికల్స్ మీ దగ్గర కూడా ఉన్నాయి. కార్ ఉంటుంది, బైక్ ఉంటుంది, స్కూటీ ఉంటుంది. నెక్స్ట్ వచ్చేసి వ్యాన్, కార్, బస్, ఇట్స్ వ్యాన్, ఎక్సెట్రా. సో మెనీ మోడర్న్ వెహికల్స్ ఆర్ దేర్ నవేడేస్. యూ కలెక్ట్ ఎనీ 10 మోడర్న్ వెహికల్స్ విచ్ కెన్ బి యూ సీన్ ఆన్ ద రోడ్ మీద కనిపించే ఒక 10 మోడర్న్ కార్స్ చెప్తున్నాను, నేను ఓరల్గా మీకు చెప్తున్నాను. యూ కెన్ కలెక్ట్ దట్ వన్ అండ్ రైట్ ఓవర్ హియర్ any 10. So this is the end of the lesson. It is a very small lesson. Here Mr. Benz, his name is Bertha Benz. So he have 2 sons. It is a very simple lesson. He has written about his vehicle. ఒక వెహికల్ గురించి తను ఈ ఒక చిన్న లెసన్ ద్వారా చెప్పారనమాట. తను చేసిన ఒక వెహికల్, ఆ వెహికల్ గురించి తను ఒక చిన్న లెసన్ ద్వారా 1888లో ఈ యొక్క కార్ని బయటకు తీశారు. వాళ్ళ యొక్క చేసిన వుడెన్ వెహికల్ని బయటకు తీశారు. సో నవేడేస్ మోడర్న్ కార్కి దానికి ఏం తేడా ఉంది అనేది మనకు ఈ యొక్క లెసన్లో చిన్నగా చెప్పారు మనకు. సో మనం కూడా అది నేర్చుకున్నాం. దాని తర్వాత సమ్మేటివ్ ఫార్మేటివ్ అసెస్మెంట్ కూడా నేర్చుకున్నాం. సో మీరు కూడా ఇందులో కొన్ని నేను చెప్పాను, కొన్ని రాయండి. మీకు 4th, 3rd, 2nd ఇవన్నీ నేను బ్యాక్ బోర్డ్ పైన చూపించాను. The last one is 5th one I have given to you. This is the homework. That one you must do it. Okay? It is a very short lesson. So it is less time we have taken. చాలా తక్కువ టైంలో కంప్లీట్ అయింది. అందుకనే మీకు ఒక చిన్న హోంవర్క్ ఇచ్చాను. దట్ ఈస్ బిట్ నెంబర్ 5. డూ దిస్ విత్ ద హోంవర్క్. టెక్స్ట్ బుక్లో చెయ్యండి. మోడ్రన్వి ఏమేమి ఉన్నాయో చూడండి. సో మనము ఇప్పటి వరకు 7 lessons కంప్లీట్ చేసాం. సో నౌ వీ హ్యావ్ కంప్లీటెడ్ 7 lessons. ఫ్రమ్ దీస్ 7 lessons here we have summative. Okay, మనకు ఇక్కడ మిడిల్లో we got it a poem, it may be whatever poems it may be. Once go through, ఒకసారి మీరు కూడా 7 lessons రివైజ్ చేయండి. డోంట్ డిలే దిస్ వన్. ఓకే, దిస్ ఇస్ క్లాస్ 5, నాట్ అ 2nd class, 3rd class. This is class 5th. Next year you are going to the 6th class. So once revise the lessons and take the textbooks. Once you go through the textbooks, take the textbooks and go through. Next year you are going to be in 6th class. That are the all of the government books only will get. It will be very easy. When we will study the 5th, 4th class perfectly, we will learn the lessons about everything. We can go through the 6th class very easily because ఈ యొక్క లెసన్స్లో నుంచే అందులోకి మనకు మొత్తం గవర్నమెంట్ బుక్స్ ఉంటున్నాయి. ఇవి మీరు ఎంత పర్ఫెక్ట్గా చదువుతారో, వింటారో, ఒకవేళ మీకు అర్థం కాకపోతే వేరే వాళ్ళ దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళి మీ ఎల్డర్స్ని అడుగుతారో మీకు అంతా బెనిఫిట్ ఉంటుంది. సో ప్లీజ్ టేక్ ద టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ అండ్ గో త్రూ వన్స్ ద టెక్స్ట్ బుక్లోకి వెళ్ళి చదవండి. చదివి మీకు అర్థమైనవి రఫ్ నోట్బుక్లో ప్రతి ఒక్క యాక్టివిటీ చేయండి. ప్రతి ఒక్కటి నేను చెప్పినవి చేయండి. నేను చెప్పకుండా ఎక్స్ట్రా కూడా టేక్ యువర్ ఓన్ నాలెడ్జ్ అండ్ రిపీట్ ఇట్. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్. సో థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్ చిల్డ్రన్ టు లిజన్ మై lesson. So tomorrow I will continue the another new lessons and grammar part also I will tell you. I will take some time for you. Grammar part also I will explain you. Parts of speech, it may be ovals, it may be whatever it may be, I will explain you briefly English. But when you support with me, then only I will explain you, because without your support there is no waste of telling the lessons also. So parts of speech అయినా సరే ఏదైనా సరే మీరు వింటున్నారా లేదా, I will call again to your parents and I will ask your parents that you are listening. Whatever I am giving the homework you are doing or not, that one also I will check. So thank you very much to listen my lesson.